Good afternoon, everybody. Come a bit closer, Jack. Today we're filming outside because apparently natural light is a lot better for filming rather than inside. And today we are going to look at our Kiwi Pie. Jack, just zoom in on my apron. Look at that. British Pie Awards coming up very soon. Excuse the creases. Should have ironed this one, Jack. Right, so this is the Kiwi Pie. Look at that. It's one of our famous pies. There are no kiwis in it. There's no kiwi fruit in it, and there's a story behind the pie, like a lot of our pies. The reason it's called kiwi is because about 5 years ago, on an agricultural exchange scheme, we employed a couple of kiwis, one called Hannah and one called Robbie, and they sold our pies very successfully. And they kept going on and on and on about this pie in New Zealand, the most popular pie in New Zealand, which was minced steak with cheddar. And after they left, in sort of memory of them and sort of me finally giving in to their suggestion, we concocted our version of the Kiwi Pie. And so here it is. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what an amazing looking pie it is. So I'm going to flip it over like that. Go, and then I'm going to do the trick with the plate, which you can do at home. This is if you like cutting your pies with the lid up. There we go. And now it's the right way up. And the reason I've done that is so that you can appreciate that it's got a thick layer of cheddar on top of the minced steak. So Jack, I'm going to cut it there. In fact, I'm going to cut it all the way through. Look at that, Jack. Can you zoom in on that? Look at that cheddar. Fantastic. And that sort of, when you cook that up, the cheddar oozes into the meat. I mean, some of my staff call this a, oh fantastic, look at that. They call it a cheeseburger pie. I don't like that because it reminds me of McDonald's, but it's very much like a cheeseburger in taste. Absolutely fantastic. So there you go. I'm going to have a bit more. This is our Kiwi Pie. Minced beef steak with a thick layer of cheddar, named after Hannah and Robbie. Thank you.